In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate collections in Shopify. Whether you're looking to create a backup of your existing products or wish to streamline the process of replicating a collection setup, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to access your Shopify store. If you haven't already, log into your account and navigate to your store's homepage. This is where you'll find all the core functionalities readily available. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Products section. It's typically located in the left-hand navigation menu, so go ahead and click on Products. This will take you to a listing of all the products that you have in your store. Now, it's time to select the specific product that you'd like to duplicate. For this demonstration, let's focus on a specific item, say Example Shirt 2. Find Example Shirt 2 within your list of products and click on it. This step is essential as it leads you into the product's detailed page where changes can be made. Once you've clicked into the product page of Example Shirt 2, look towards the upper right corner, or sometimes the same action may be positioned conveniently within the product's Detailed Actions menu. You should see a button labeled Duplicate. Click on that button. By doing this, you are copying the entirety of the product's setup as it exists in the store. After you've hit Duplicate, Shopify presents you with a new draft of the product. Here, you'll notice it looks very much like the original, but it's wise to give it a unique name or identifier to avoid any confusion with the original product. You can edit any details here, such as price, description, or settings, to tailor the duplicate product to your new collection's needs. If you don't want any details changed, feel free to leave everything as is. Before saving the duplicate, take this opportunity to ensure all fields are filled out according to your requirements and that everything appears correct. When you're satisfied, click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a product within your Shopify store, which is a great tool not only for expanding collections, but also for maintaining backups and consistency across your inventory. This functionality makes managing large inventories not only feasible, but efficient. Duplicating collections is a brilliant way to stay organized, efficiently manage your store's growth, and ensure that your product setup remains consistent and error-free. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful, and you feel ready to make your Shopify management tasks a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!